Hello, today we will discuss about the respiration. First we know about what is the respiration. Respiration is the set of actions which going inside the cell. So what is the set of action? That set of action is breathing. Breathing means exchange of gases from the outside to inside of the body of organism, and second is breakdown of glucose. So collectively you call the respiration is the exchange of gases and breakdown of glucose. And in other words, you can say that respiration is the sign of life and index of all the biological action which going inside your body. Without respiration, no organism can survive just a minute. So it also says that it is a sign of life. So we here see that breathing and breakdown of glucose in the living organism, how it takes place inside the cell. In earlier you have studied in the process of nutrition, food is circulated inside the blood and it transported to whole body, and after that it reaches to every cell. So what does food happen after reaching the cell? After reaching the cell, it breaks down for the carbon dioxide and energy. Actually, respiration is the energy giving process which going inside the cell. So exchange of gases is always going inside and breakdown of glucose is always going inside the cell. So glucose reach at the every cell, and where it break down in the cell, some part of the glucose break down inside the cytoplasm and some part of the glucose break down inside mitochondria. So first we discuss about the breathing or exchange of the gases. There are various organs, terrestrial or aquatic, they have specialized for exchanging gases, and these organs have the capacity to increase the surface area, and surface area help them to the diffuse large amount of gases inside the body, and they have specialization in the increasing surface area in sense of suppose that human has one pair of lungs, and that lungs are special in sense of they have balloon like structures ultimately at the last portion of lungs, and that balloon like structure are much spread over a football ground. So you can imagine how much balloon like structure present inside your lungs. So that increasing amounts of surface area that only help the diffuse large amount of oxygen inside body. All the terrestrial animals, they have lungs, and some small animals they uses skin for their exchanging organs. Water has the less amount of oxygen dissolved in comparison to land. So animals which reside or their habitat is water, they have a special organ that is called gills, and gills are the profusely supplied of the blood cells, and that blood cells actually exchange the gases. So earthworm exchange gases through skin. Insect, that is the spider, their lower surface of a special hole, and that hole take oxygen and give carbon dioxide. Fish has the gills and human have the lungs. So you will see the lungs. Our outer opening is of air is called nostril, and after entering the nostril that enter in the trachea, and trachea has the ring of cartilages, and that ring of cartilages check the collapse of tube. So trachea has the one ring of cartilages that help them, they does not collapse on their tubes. After entering trachea inside lungs, it further divided in the various sections, and that divisions ultimately end up at the position of one balloon-like formation, and that balloon-like formation is called alveoli. You can imagine one tube entered inside lungs, that divided, and that division approx 24 times. So you surprise the one tube enter inside lungs, that 24 times divide and ultimately convert into the one surfaces, and that surfaces is called alveoli. Alveoli is a place where carbon dioxide and oxygen exchange to each other. Carbon dioxide released from the body cells and oxygen taken by the body cell, and that cell is RBC. RBC transported oxygen to whole body to the cell, and carbon dioxide, some amount of the carbon dioxide transported with the help of RBC, and most of the carbon dioxide released from the body with the help of water. Because of the dissolubility of carbon dioxide is much more in water in comparison to RBC. So largest amount of carbon dioxide released from the body with the help of plasma. So you have lungs, and lungs, their lower surface is covered by one muscular diaphragm, and that diaphragm divided whole body into the two portions, and it also help in the breathing, and 12 pair of ribs covered by lungs, and breathing is the collective effort of diaphragm and ribs. When diaphragm flat, that lungs goes upwards, so increase the volume of lungs. So when increase the volume of lungs, large amount of air enter inside your body and mix up to the blood cells. So this is the portion of breathing. So you can say this is the physical process of respiration. Breathing is the physical process of respiration, and breakdown of glucose is the chemical process of respiration. So respiration divided into portion. One is physical, that is called breathing, and one is chemical, and that is called breakdown of glucose. Breakdown of glucose in whole organism also divided in three sections. One, when it takes place in the presence of oxygen, that is called anaerobic respiration, and only few organisms are capable to perform the anaerobic respiration. One is yeast and some bacteria also. Yeast has the property to respire in the absence of oxygen and release energy and convert ethanol inside cell. So glucose break down in the cytoplasm to the pyruvate. After breaking to the pyruvate, it converts into the three sections. When absence of oxygen, glucose converts into ethanol, carbon dioxide and energy, and it only performed by the yeast. Yeast is a fungus which has the capacity to convert glucose into the ethanol. Second, lack of oxygen in the muscle cell. Whenever you are heavy exercise, and that time supply of oxygen does not take place properly inside your body, and that time glucose convert into the one intermediate, that is called lactic acid, and lactic acid is the intermediate. Whenever supply of oxygen taken place properly, that lactic acid again convert into carbon dioxide and H2O and energy. So intermediate, whenever accumulation of lactic acid inside your body, that called cramp. So whenever supply of oxygen taking place, that convert into the carbon dioxide and H2O and energy, and it provide less amount of energy in properly whenever properly properly convert CO2 and H2O. Third is proper breakdown of glucose when oxygen is present in sufficient amount, and that time carbon dioxide and H2 and energy that taken place. So on the whole earth, on whole living organism, there is a three-way of breaking of glucose. Three-way: one is absence of oxygen, second is lack of oxygen, and third is presence of oxygen. When absence of oxygen, that is called anaerobic respiration. Lack of oxygen is also aerobic respiration, and when sufficient amount of the presence oxygen present, that is called presence of oxygen, that CO2 and H2O and energy produced. So whole organism perform breakdown of glucose in three ways. One is absent, one is lack of oxygen, one is presence of oxygen. There is a process of respiration. And what about process of respiration in plants? So plants have their exchanging organs is stomata, and stomata usually present in the leaf. But what about the other portion of plants? Other portion of plants have also some holes and breakage in their body, and that breakage and holes are present in their body and exchange the oxygen and carbon dioxide very easily, and that plant perform respiration in this way. But whenever pigment is present inside body of organism, the diffusion of oxygen takes place very easily, and transport the oxygen from one portion to another portion takes place very easily. When oxygen do not present inside the body, hemoglobin or pigment is not present inside the body of organism, there is much more time taken by the diffuse the oxygen inside body when one portion of the body to another portion of the body. So pigment is very essential requirement for quickly transport the oxygen from one place to the another place of body surfaces. So respiration is two events. One is breathing and second is breakdown of glucose. Breathing is the physical process and breakdown of glucose is the chemical process of respiration. So you can say that breathing and breakdown of glucose is the respiration. Thank you.